In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Bluetooth not connecting. If you find this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe. Now there's a few different things you're going to want to do. Firstly, swipe down on the top right, make sure Bluetooth is on, and then also turn on airplane mode and turn it off again, just to give your device a quick reset. Then go over to settings, scroll down until you see Bluetooth. Again, just turn this off and then turn it on again to give your Bluetooth a quick reset as well. Now, if one of your devices still isn't connecting, all you got to do is just press the I on whichever device you're using, then press forget this device on the bottom, and then just attempt to reconnect on it. Once you forget the device, it's going to be in other devices. So then just try and reconnect. If that still doesn't work, what you could do is scroll down, go to general, then go over to software update, which is the second option. Go ahead and click on that. Just make sure you're on the latest version of iOS, which will fix any bugs you're having. And the final thing that I would recommend doing is going ahead and restarting your phone. So press the volume up and your power button together. And when you do that, all you want to do is slide to power off, then turn your phone on again, and then that's it. You should be good to go.